How to integrate Slack with Google Drive Desktop. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open Slack and go to the Apps section. Search for Google Drive and click on it to add the integration. 2. Click on Connect and sign in using your Google account. Grant the necessary permissions for Slack to access your drive. 3. Once connected, choose the Slack channel where you want Google Drive notifications to appear. This helps in sharing files and updates easily. 4. To upload a file, click on the attachment icon in Slack, select Google Drive, and choose the file you want to share. 5. You can also manage drive permissions directly from Slack, allowing others to view or edit files without switching tabs. 6. Use the Slack search bar to find Google Drive files by typing the file name or using Google Drive followed by a keyword. 7. Now every time a file is shared or updated, Slack will notify the selected channel, keeping your team informed in real time.